Bitcoin is one of the best assets in the last decade, but how high can it go in 2024? Over the past few days, I've watched multiple interviews of Bitcoin price predictions by investors, analysts, and billionaires. Here are the results. First on the list is Beth Kindig, who is the lead tech analyst at IO Fund. In an interview with Fox Business on February 28, 2024, she predicts that Bitcoin will pull back to $30,000 before hitting $100,000. Michael Novogratz is an American investor who is currently the CEO of Galaxy Investment Partners. In a CNBC television interview on February 21st, he predicted that Bitcoin would hit $125,000 to $150,000 post-halving. Anthony Pompliano is an entrepreneur and investor. He is also a prominent figure in the Bitcoin space. Apart from having multiple businesses, Pom also has a YouTube channel where he talks about Bitcoin. During a CNBC interview on March 5, Pom has stated that historically, 3 out of 4 times, Bitcoin has doubled in price after hitting an all-time high in 18 days or less. Bitcoin's most recent all-time high was $70,000. So Pom predicts that Bitcoin should hit $140,000 soon. Thomas Jong Lee, also known as Tom Lee, is an entrepreneur, strategist, businessman, and contributor on CNBC's Fast Money, Tech Check, and other shows. On February 21, Tom Lee appeared on CNBC's Squawk Box to discuss the latest market trends and the current state of Bitcoin. During the chat show, Tom Lee predicts that Bitcoin could go as high as $150,000 by the end of 2024. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, is known for his staggering predictions on market crashes and Bitcoin prices. Early 2024, he posted a couple of tweets, one on February 19th and the other on March 7th. On February 19th, he posted a tweet saying that Bitcoin will hit $100,000 by June 2024. On March 7th, he posted yet another tweet predicting that Bitcoin will hit $300,000 by the end of 2024. Michael Saylor is arguably the most influential figure in the Bitcoin space. He is also the executive chairman of MicroStrategy, and he holds over 193,000 Bitcoins. During his appearance on CNBC on December 19th, Saylor claims that it is almost impossible for Bitcoin to go to zero because of the mass adoption of Bitcoin from large banks and financial institutions. Because of this, Saylor predicts that Bitcoin will hit $1 million, but he did not give a specific time frame. Last but not least, we have Cathie Wood, who is known as the queen of the bull market. If you don't know who Cathie Wood is, she is the CEO and CIO of ARK Invest. They currently have over $5 billion in assets under management. Her fund's top holdings include Coinbase, Tesla, and Square. During a CNBC interview on January 11th, her extreme bull case Bitcoin price prediction is $1.5 million by 2030. Honorable mentions include Richard Teng, who is the CEO of Binance. He predicts that Bitcoin will hit $80,000 in 2024. Dan Tapio, the CEO of 10T Fund, predicts that Bitcoin will hit $150,000 to $200,000 in 2024. Lastly, William Quigley, the co-founder of Tether, predicts that Bitcoin will hit $300,000 at the peak of the bull market. If you're looking to invest in Bitcoin but you don't know how or where to, I recommend using Coinbase. You can use the link in the description of the video to get started and sign up for the exchange. I also have a step-by-step tutorial on how you can use Coinbase. You can watch that video if you are a beginner.